You press the power button and your Mac just shows a black screen? Nothing happens? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 5 steps to fix it, from the easiest to the most effective. Step 1. Check the power connection. This might seem obvious, but it's the most common cause. Make sure your MagSafe or USB-C cable is firmly connected. Try a different power outlet. Look for the light on the MagSafe connector. Orange means it is charging. Green means it is fully charged. Step 2. Force a restart. Is your Mac frozen and not responding? Let us force a restart. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds until the Mac shuts off. Then turn it back on. Step 3. Reset the SMC. The SMC controls power, fans, and the display. Resetting it often fixes black screen issues. On Apple Silicon, that is M1, M2, or M3, shut down, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. On Intel Mac, shut down, unplug the power cable for 15 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 4. Reset the NVRAM. The NVRAM stores display and startup settings. Resetting it can resolve a stuck black screen. Intel Mac only. At startup, hold Option, Command, P and R together for about 20 seconds. Step 5. Boot into recovery mode. If your Mac starts, but the screen stays black, recovery mode is your best option. Apple Silicon. Press and hold the power button until you see startup options. Intel. Turn on and immediately hold Command plus R. Did it work? Let me know in the comments which step fixed it. Subscribe to Tato's for more Apple tutorials every week.